here. So I don't know if he had a candle light or whatsoever, I don't know, but his brother bought the gas yesterday and leave the gas down here. He wasn't here, so he leave the gas down here, and in the night, maybe after 10, so he come and knock the door. And I said to him, say, Rupert, why you knocking the door? Him say him come to pick up the gas. And I tell him where the gas is, and him carry the gas go up. So I don't know what happened from that until this morning when we hear the explosion.
How old is he?
He's in his 70s, you know, I don't know 70 how much, but he's not in age group there.
But if he came to pick up the
man, he move around, you know, he move around, man, he move around every time. As somebody when you know feeble, you know, he just move around. He move around. So when after the explosion now, I saw the whole place in flame. But to me it looked like, I don't know if he light candle, I can't say, I can't speculate. You understand? Me don't know what happened. But the cylinder blow up.
Understand.
So, this was where the kitchen was. Yeah, the kitchen. Alright, here saying dead. Right there, so? The body was there and the head was right here. See him like how you see it there? That's why they didn't take him up. Yeah. Because he burn, you know, him burn bad. So he look like when the explosion now we lick him back. Yeah, he lick him back. Cause that piece of zinc I did there on him. Look like he lick him back, so his head drop here, so. His head was right here and the body was right there. Hey, yeah. Yeah, the auntie kind of. Oh my God. There you go. There's another India there, and there's another India that may have head.
He was in danger,
Yeah, because from here the help. When I say me not danger, is what we couldn't help. And when me come and look, me not see nobody either, and me call out, Rupert, and me not hear nobody. You know, cause me figure more or less I run out and gone up in the bush.
Okay.
You understand? Me figure more or less I run out and gone up in the bush. When me hear the help, me think say the fire I ma call for help. Me not think say in there. And when me tell you say now me see the wire and the fire, and me come and draw the wire.
Yeah.
Me draw the wire. That's it, you know, catch a fire there, so.
Right.
And me look and me see the little so
that's it.
So far the explosion bring the current. Yes.